This is my talent. Gusto ko sanang ipakita sa inyo yung talent ko. Um, Acting, movie acting. Sige, acting ako as dramatist. Okay? 1, 2, 3, go. Mommy? Ma? Naging baliw, di ba? Mukha na ang baliw. Okay. Siguro yung horror naman, yung horror. Guys, nasan tayo? Oh my God! Oh my God! Ano yun? Ano nakita ko doon? God. Okay. Yun lang. Wait. Ano pa bang acting ko pwedeng gawin? Siguro kanta naman. Kakanta ako. Okay. 5, 6, 7. Now the night is gone. Now the night is gone away. Oh my God, hindi ko na kailangan kasunod. Pero don't worry. Meron pa akong isang kanta. Ito. Ano ba? Wait, magsipapanis. Para naman hindi kayo mainit. Ito. Wait. Take me to your heart na lang, okay? Yun kasi medyo kabisado ko. Okay. Hiding from the rain and snow, trying to forget but I won't let go. Looking at a crowded street, listening to my own heartbeat. So many people all around the world. Tell me, where do I find someone like you, girl? Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand before I fall. Show me what love is, haven't got a clue. Show me that wonders can't be true. They say nothing lasts forever. We're only here today. Love is now or never. Bring me far away. Take me to your heart, take me to your soul. Give me your hand, hold me. Yan. So, hanggang dyan muna. Maybe, kailangan ko naman na tapusin to. But, I'm sure I have a lot of time.